In a hologram projection, Zelensky told some of the world's biggest tech firms they have a unique opportunity to invest in Ukraine's digital future, even as Russia's invasion continues.
Digital infrastructure is the most stable and efficient one during the war. And now we offer the world's leading tech companies a digital Lend-Lease, as Lend-Lease helped save Europe and the world from tyranny during World War II. The digital Lend-Lease can now become a key contributor to the victory of democracy.
Referencing a policy used by the US during World War II, a Lend-Lease allows an allied country to offer aid without paying cash. On the agreement, a repayment would come in another form. His address at the Paris-based conference comes as Ukrainian tech startups are represented there for the first time, against the backdrop of Moscow's war. 14 Ukrainian companies are participating, continuing operations even after some were forced to flee.
It's really hard to work when you're in the underground shelter. You don't have any access to Wi-Fi. Our key goal was to reach safe places and then to continue operations.
Ukrainian tech companies are not going to do business in Ukraine right now. So they have to become global like this. And that's the beauty of tech, because tech is global.
Zelensky said Kyiv would lay out a plan that would create a digital government at the Ukraine Recovery Conference in Switzerland in July.